And awesome. Ow! What the heck? You already stink already. How bad is that? I thought it was pretty awesome, okay? You're making me cry. I don't even know who you are, you freak. What's wrong with you? Freak. Don't throw that at me. What the? Oh my god! You're gonna kill me! What the heck? Oh, you're scared. Hey! You're scary! He's a scary person! Scary person! Scary person! Hey! We don't kill him!